Today we're going to do some maintenance on our elliptical machine. It is a Horizon Club series. The model number is CSE3HR. Now what happens with these things is they get really loose over time as you're working out on them, and the mechanism begins to shake, and you can derail the gliders off the track. To show you what I'm talking about, if you can zoom in on this piece right here, what happens sometimes is this thing will come off its track while you're exercising when it's too loose. Come right off its track like that. If that happens, it probably needs to be tightened up. Now this is way too loose, and this is what you want to prevent and avoid, this whole mechanism. And if you look down here where the linkage are, it's moving from side to side and it's making a lot of noise. The tools you'll need for this project are a 1/2-inch open-end wrench and a 11mm Allen wrench. Now to access this, the screws that you need to turn, is you just pull this thing up off. It's got a little rubber boot, alright? And if you come over here, these Allen wrenches fit right in here. Tighten them up. Nice and snug. As you tighten each one up, the other ones get loose. Right down inside of there, and then you have your 1/2-inch wrench. Put it on here. Righty-tighty. To access these nuts, you just move these back and forth till you get them where you can work with them, and then you use the closed inside if you want. Here's from the other side, nice and tight. You want to get a picture of that? Alright, so we tightened everything up and it's still making a little bit of noise, so we're going to try tightening another screw on here using a 11/16 wrench. Alright, we're going to put this wrench right on this glider assembly right here. Okay, to move the pedals, we're just going to bring this back to access the other one. Put it right there. Maybe the same thing. It's already pretty. Go ahead and tighten it down the rest of the way. Okay, so we got it all tightened down now, and it works a lot better. It's a little quieter. It's not, you're not going to get rid of the noise completely, but we got rid of a lot of noise, and the machine's nice and tight. This thing isn't moving around back and forth. Thank you for watching. If you like this, give us a like, follow us, and we'll see you next time.